We present a pneumatic 3D printed musculoskeletal forearm and hand based on the anatomy of the human hand. We utilized publicly available MRI data of the human anatomy to recreate the skeletal structure of a human forearm and hand. Using 22 pneumatic artificial muscles, we replicated 5 extrinsic and 2 intrinsic muscle groups and their anchor points. Our design includes rigid bones, soft joints, and touch sensors that were printed in place and did not need further assembly. Using tendons made from fishing lines, we connected pneumatic artificial muscles to their biomimetic anchor points. We used the recently developed 3D inkjet deposition method called vision-controlled jetting to print the hand. This method prints fully functional, soft-rigid hybrid systems that do not require assembly. Printed cavities from a low-viscosity polymer serve as touch sensors, relaying the fingertips and palms contact with an object. We designed pneumatic artificial muscles that operate on the McKibben principle. They serve as a replacement for the human muscles driving our system's fingers via tendons. To operate the hand, we connected the printed bones of the hand to the pneumatic artificial muscles via tendons anchored in a printed forearm. To characterize our system, we investigated the range of motion of the fingers from a curled position to an extended state. The Katzschmann score is a clinical evaluation method used to assess the opposable thumb motion, a crucial feature of hands for dexterous grasping and manipulation. Our hand reached a Katzschmann score of 6. The fingertips can exert a force of 1.95 newtons. We demonstrated a variety of finger motions and grasp types, from power grasps over intermediate grasps to precision grasps. Future work will focus on making the system more robust, improving proprioceptive sensing, and designing an untethered pneumatic supply for mobile applications.